Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Friday, September 5th, 2008. Matthew Marino, the brother of former Bayou Group Finance Chief Daniel Marino, has pled guilty to helping conceal a $400 million fraud at the bankrupt hedge fund firm. Bloomberg News reports that Marino entered his guilty plea in U.S. District Court in White Plains, New York. Marino faces up to 3 years in prison when he's sentenced on December 4th. Marino admitted that he knew a fraud was being perpetrated on Bayou investors. And staying with hedge fund news, RAB Capital's CEO Philip Richards will leave his post to concentrate on running RAB Special Situations, the hedge fund that has lost 38% of its value this year. According to Bloomberg News, Richards will be replaced by Stephen Cowdy, who has been chief operating officer of the London-based hedge fund manager in July 2005. Special Situations, the largest of RAB's funds with about $1.5 billion under management, has been hurt this year after it invested in Northern Rock, a mortgage lender nationalized by the UK government. And in more hedge fund news, UK hedge fund manager CQS has launched a new fund to profit from market volatility. Reuters reports that CQS, which had $9.6 billion of assets under management at the start of August, said it had launched CQS Global Volatility Fund with an initial size of $160 million. The fund will use futures and options to trade volatility with a primary focus on the equity market indexes and on individual equities within the world's major stock markets. And in other hedge fund news, Chinese fast food restaurant chain Shimot will receive a combined $23 million in foreign investment venture capital funds. Reuters reports that a third of the round of private fundraising for Shimot, whose major shareholders include Taiwan food company Ting Sin International Group, will be the last round ahead of an overseas listing. Joseph Chan, the CFO, confirmed the size of the fundraising but declined to comment further before a company statement could be made in the next few weeks. Other investors included Granite Global Ventures and SIG Asia Investments. That rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.